Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So the other day with my tip video, I got asked to do a soldering at the end. A couple people wanted to see that, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I do the bullets first, and then we'll move on to the soldering itself. So I got what I need. Got my clippers, solder. I got tinner, but I don't use a tinner when I'm doing the bullets. I use flux. I got my 8mm bullet connectors. I use Castle. I don't know if it's a part number up there or not, but yeah, Castle 8mm bullet connector. So I got a torch here. That's what I'm gonna use. Y'all gonna see later. My on is broke, so I use the lighter, and then bam, turn that on. So y'all can go ahead and buy a brand new one, but I ain't got time for all that, so I make it work. And I got a big bottle of refill. Man, so I just refill it with the butane fuel. Anyway, let's go ahead and set this up, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. All right, now we set up. So, see, I got my 8mm bullet connector. I put it in my helping hand because I ain't got no third hand or whatever. You know, I made my own, as I said in the last video y'all seen. So, I'm gonna go ahead and strip my wire to what I need to push in that inside that bullet connector. I just need a little bit to get up in there, about that much. You know, to each his own. I know everybody got their own way. You know, it's just trying to help out people for the way I do it. Hit it with the flux. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm gonna end up cleaning all this up because I don't put tape around that. I use heat shrink. So anyway, we got our flux on there. I use quite a little. I like it to stick when it get in there, so let's go ahead and fire this up. Now, we'll go ahead and start heating this up. Take a little while to get that hot. Try to get the concept. And there is a hole on here, so y'all can see. That's why I'm putting my heat through. Oh, lighter went out. Let's get this. See my fire going. Put it right in that hole over there. Like that. Boom. Get it a little bit hot. Once it's hot, we're gonna go ahead and put this in there. Y'all gonna see. I mean, y'all can use a soldering iron. I just prefer to use this, much quicker to me. And once it's hot, that thing gonna start melting like that. Put what you need in there. And about that much. Make sure that thing stay hot. You're gonna get what you. Got my thing ready with my flux. And then we're gonna just pop it up in there. Damn. Let it cool. I don't blow it or nothing. I let it cool off because then it'll be much stronger. And then bam, here you go. Up in there, nice. Good to go. So that's how I do the 8mm bullet connectors. I got a solder one more over here. I ain't gonna put y'all through the hazard of seeing that again. But I got some heat shrink here. I'm gonna throw up there for now. Solder that off. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I solder with the solder iron now. I'm gonna just find something to solder real quick and I'll be back. Alright, YouTube, so I got like a little glitch buster I made here for one of my rigs. So I'm using the soldering iron. So I usually dip it up in there, wipe that off. So hit my thing up in the flux. So it would take the solder that I'm putting up here. So you'll see right now, I just put a little bit on here, like that. And I just want to wipe it on the wire. This is how I solder, guys. Everybody got their own way. See how I would take it right there, basically tin the wire. So that wire is tin now. Hope y'all seeing that. That wire is tinned. So see how that wire ain't 10? I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to that one. I'm gonna dip it in the flux, just so it accept the solder. And let me go ahead and clean this off. Always want to clean your tip off, so you know, get some nice solder on down pack. Boom. See how it accepted that? Like stuck right to it. So now, just want to get a little bit, wipe it off. Keep forgetting about that. Wipe it off. Put a little bit more. You want to join these two together. You know, you could do it many ways. This is how I do it. I join them together. Hit that little solder right up there. Talking about bam. See that? See, I just surprised myself. Look at that. Never mind this one. Pay attention to that one. Look at that. Bam. No, got my heat shrink. Put it right up there. Go ahead and light that thing up. That's just how I saw a few tips on how I get things done. Not bad. Came out pretty good, but you know, if you use certain stuff, it'll definitely help. Like, damn, there you go. So if you use certain stuff, like this came in handy for me. I never used to use this before, but it keeps my soldering tips clean. See how we got change colors? So I wipe it up in there real quick. Come out nice and shiny. And then if this ain't shiny, I dip it up in there. Clean it again. Bam. Like new every time. You know, you gotta have your flux, because that's what make the solder stick to the wires or whatever you're using. The flux definitely handy. So that's just my little quick tips. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you got your own tips, y'all know share them in the comments, because I definitely always trying to learn new stuff. You know, that's how I keep into the hobby. I'm learning new stuff. It's always fun. Anyway, I hope somebody learned something from this video. If not, y'all teach me something, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in.